Today we will learn about logo. Children, how do you express your feelings to your friends? Using a language, isn't it? Language is the medium to talk or write. You may speak different languages like Hindi, English, or any other regional language. But to talk to any other person, you need to use a common language, which he or she understands. In the same way, a computer does not understand the language that you speak. It has its own language. If you want to give instructions to a computer, you need to learn the language which computer understands. Let us first start with logo, a simple language. Logo is one of the easiest computer languages. The full form of logo is logic-oriented, graphic-oriented. We can use logo to draw pictures, do calculations, print the text. Who he is? He is Professor Seymour Papert. Logo was introduced by him. Alright, let me tell you how to start logo. To start a logo, follow these steps. Click on the Start button. Select all programs. Click on Microsoft Windows logo. Select Microsoft Windows logo. You will get the opening screen of the MSW logo program where you will find many buttons and menu options. Logo screen is split into two parts, main screen and commander window. This is the main window to draw pictures. Here, you will find a triangle called turtle. This is the smaller area under the main screen. It is used for typing commands. We can run the commands by pressing the Enter key. Commander window is divided into two sections. Command input box and recall list box. Command input box. The white space where you type commands is known as input box. Recall list box. It is the gray section that keeps track of all the commands that are executed. It also displays messages which appear as a result of these commands. Now, let me tell you that logo software can be downloaded free of cost from the website http://www.softronics.com. Now we will discuss about control buttons. They are used to perform different tasks. Execute button. To run a command, click on Execute button or press Enter key. Status button. It displays the status of current settings in logo. Halt button. It immediately stops the logo from proceeding further. Pause button. It stops the execution of logo program so that you can examine the instructions and make changes in it. Reset button. It resets the logo output screen. Now, let us talk about logo terms. Turtle. It is a smaller triangular object that obeys only logo commands. A turtle has two parts. The pointed top of the turtle is known as head. The bottom part of it is known as a tail. A turtle moves on the main screen and draws the figure according to the commands you give in the input box. Primitives. The logo commands are known as primitives. They instruct the logo turtle what to draw on the screen. The turtle obeys the primitives when we press the Enter key. While typing the primitive, always leave a blank space between the primitive and the number of steps. You can type the primitive in capital or small letters. Program. When we write primitives one after another, this set of primitives is known as program. Let's have a discussion on primitive and program. Okay, students, now we will learn about drawing commands. Forward. Primitive makes the turtle move forward by the given number of steps. The short form for forward is FD. Let us try. Type forward or FD. Press the space bar key. Type in the number of steps. Press the enter key. For example, type FD 100, enter. The turtle you see on the screen has moved 100 steps ahead and drawn a line. Back. This primitive is opposite to forward. Back primitive moves the turtle backward by the given number of steps. Look at the head of the turtle, which remains pointed up while it moves backward. The primitive back can also be written as BK. Let us try. Type back or BK. Press the space bar key. Type in the number of steps. Press the enter key. For example, type BK 50, enter. This will move the turtle backward by 50 steps. Students, let me tell you about turning the turtle. Right. It turns the turtle head towards the right side. The right command turns the turtle head towards the right side, that is the clockwise direction. It needs the number of degrees to know the angle of turn. The short form of right is RT. Let us try. Type RT 90 and press the enter key. The head of the turtle turns right by 90 steps. Let's see some more examples. Home RT 45, RT 60, RT 90, RT 135, RT 180. Students, let us know more. We can move the turtle forward, backward, right and left on the screen. Students, note that we can move the turtle from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Right 180 would make the turtle take a half turn. The left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left side, that is anti-clockwise direction. The short form of left is LT. Let us try. Type left or LT. Press the spacebar key. Type the number of units. Press the enter key. For example, LT 30 enter, FT 100 enter, LT 90 enter, FT 100 enter, LT 90 enter, FT 100 enter, LT 90 enter, FT 100 enter. Let us look at some more examples of LT command. Home, LT 45, LT 60, LT 100, LT 180. Now let us understand about home. The turtle appears in the center of the screen, which is its home position, from where the turtle starts and moves around the screen. We can bring the turtle back to the center position using the home primitives. The primitive is not followed by any number. Let us try. FT 100 enter. RT 90 enter. FT 100 enter. RT 90 enter. BK 40 enter. Home enter. Observe that the turtle draws a line as it goes back home. Alright, let me tell you about how to close logo. The by primitive brings you out of logo. Let us try. By, enter. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this